Once you read this, you will never throw away this part of the banana. Bananas are great. A recent study has discovered that 2 bananas can provide enough energy for intense 90-minute exercise. This is why banana is a favorite fruit of many athletes. This is really amazing, right? We all know that this tropical fruit is loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. But here comes the million-dollar question. Did you know that you can use a banana peel to treat many different skin problems? Such as, remove warts, treat wrinkles and acne, whiten your teeth? Well, yes, and you should also know that the banana peel works great as an analgesic. And you can use it to alleviate the symptoms of psoriasis. In this article we are going to show you 5 amazing banana peel uses, which you've probably never heard of. Here is now to use the banana peel. Banana peel for teeth whitening. If you want to whiten your teeth, and you don't want to use those expensive and harmful whitening products, then we highly recommend banana peel. Banana peels can be extremely efficient and beneficial in whitening your teeth. You just have to take a banana peel and rub it on your teeth every day for 5 minutes. You will notice amazing results just after 1 week of using this whitening method. Remove skin warts. Did you know that you can use a banana peel to treat skin warts as well? This is really amazing and extremely useful. Banana peels can also help you eliminate those stubborn warts. Here's what you need to do. Just cut a piece of the banana peel and put it on the warts. You can secure it with a bandage and leave it overnight. Or you can rub the inner side of the peel on the affected area. Make sure you use this method until you get rid of the warts. Acne and wrinkle-free. You should also know that the banana peels are loaded with antioxidants and other anti-aging properties, which are great for replenishing the skin and hydrating it. So, if you want to reduce the inflammation and irritation, you need to take a banana peel and rub it over the affected area. You should repeat this process every night before going to bed, until you get rid of the acne and wrinkles. Curing psoriasis. You can use a banana peel to treat and alleviate the symptoms of psoriasis. Here's what you need to do. Just rub the banana peel on the affected area. Repeat this process 2 times a day. Banana peel is an analgesic. You should also know that the banana peel works great as an analgesic. So, if you have parts on the body that are in pain, you should rub the banana peel on it. As we said, the banana peel works as an amazing natural analgesic. Banana peel for losing weight. We all know that bananas are loaded with potassium. But, did you know that the banana peel contains high amounts of this mineral as well? The banana peel contains around 40% of the potassium found in banana. And we all know that our body needs potassium if we want to lose weight much faster. It boosts metabolism, so you burn more calories and muscles have enough energy. And this means that if you have energy, you can be more active. You should also know that banana peels contain other healthy nutrients as well, such as antioxidants, fiber, B vitamins, vitamin A. Fiber is more present in the peel than in the banana itself. Fiber keeps you full for a longer period. As you can see, the banana peels have some powerful and effective weight loss properties. And really, it's not as strange as it sounds. This means that you should definitely try this super healthy banana peel recipe and you will be amazed by the results. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Bananas peel with black-eyed peas, recipe. For green banana peels, 1 teaspoon turmeric, salt, 2 teaspoons coconut oil, 1/2 c black-eyed peas, if using fresh, soak overnight, 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons unsweetened grated coconut, juice of 1 lime. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to slice the peels into small pieces and boil in water with turmeric and dash of salt. Note, in order to prevent sap from sticking to your pot, you should add a few drops of oil to the water. Bring to a boil, and then simmer for 5 minutes, until the skins are tender. After that, you need to drain the water and save it for later use. We like to use it to cook rice or as a base for soup. Now, you need to cook the black-eyed peas. So, if you are using fresh black-eyed peas, make sure you boil until tender. If using canned, rinse and drain beans. After that, you need to heat coconut oil in skillet or frying pan over medium heat. Add mustard seeds and cook until they begin to pop. Now, you need to add the boiled peels and black-eyed peas, stir, and cook for about 5 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in coconut